Signing up for an Amazon Prime membership comes with a lot of benefits that can save you hundreds of dollars a year, but most people don't take full advantage of all of them. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be telling you about all the benefits of an Amazon Prime membership that could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Now let's get started. An Amazon Prime membership costs $119 yearly, or just $59 for Prime student memberships. While that may sound like quite a lot, all the benefits make it more than worth it. The main reason many people sign up for Amazon Prime is for the fast, free shipping. Prime members get free 2-day shipping on all orders of Prime-eligible items. In some areas, you can even get free same-day delivery with Prime. Without a Prime membership, shipping for a single order can cost anywhere from $5.99 to $20 depending on the shipping speed. The 2-day shipping you get for free with Prime costs around $11 for a single order without Prime. If you were to place 2 orders with 2-day shipping per month, you'd spend $22 a month just on shipping. That adds up to $264 a year. Another benefit that comes along with your membership is Amazon Prime Video, Amazon's video streaming service. This is a great alternative to other services like Netflix or Hulu, which can cost $10 a month or more. Although Prime Video doesn't have as much selection as Netflix or Hulu, it's still a great streaming service with thousands of shows and movies to enjoy. Using Prime Video instead of another streaming service would save you another $120 a year. Along those same lines, Amazon Prime Music is Amazon's music streaming service, free for Prime members. Other streaming services like Spotify Premium or Apple Music can cost $120 yearly or more. Prime Music can be a little behind other streaming services when it comes to adding new music releases to their database, but they literally offer millions of songs available to stream, so you're sure to find a ton of your favorite tracks. By using Prime Music instead of another service, you can save yourself another $120 a year. We'll leave a link to our tutorial on how to use the Amazon Prime Music app in the description box below. Lastly, if you're an avid reader or like to listen to audiobooks, the Prime Reading service would be great for you. Using services like Audible costs around $14.95 monthly, adding up to about $180 a year. Prime members can use the Prime Reading service to enjoy an unlimited number of books, magazines, audiobooks, and more, and you can access them on any device with the free Kindle app for iOS or Android. So, if you're spending $264 on shipping, $120 on video streaming, $120 on music streaming, and $180 on ebooks and audiobooks, that adds up to $684 a year. Some of you may even be spending more than that. Compare that to the cost of a Prime membership at just $119 a year, or just $59 for students. By taking full advantage of your Amazon Prime membership and using Amazon services instead, you could save yourself $565 a year or more. Even if you don't use every single one of Amazon's Prime services, you could still be saving yourself a lot of money. Plus, unlimited 2-day shipping is pretty great. It's always free on Prime-eligible items, even if you're only ordering one small item. Besides the services we've mentioned already, there are even more benefits that come with your Prime membership, like unlimited cloud storage for photos, free games on Twitch, discounts on new phones, and in some cities, even grocery and restaurant delivery. Want to try out these services for yourself? You can sign up for a 1-month free trial of Amazon Prime at amazon.com/prime. That does it for this video about all the ways an Amazon Prime membership can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.